Hello, this is Miss Spain. I'm going to be walking you through how to complete the assignment, the I Am poem final draft. The first thing I'm going to do is show you how to access your stanza 1, stanza 2, and stanza 3 that you submitted to me. So I'm using first period as my example. If you click assignments at the top of our ELA Teams, it will bring you to the screen. Now mine says returned because it's a teacher view, but yours will say completed. When you click it, it opens and closes it. So you want to make sure the arrow's down and you will click stanza 1 and it will bring this up. You will then click it again. Now this is mine, and since I am the teacher, I do not have my answers input in here. However, whatever you submitted to me will show right here. So you will see your sentence, I am, and then whatever you put. So all first 6 lines of your stanza are here. Now, if you go back to assignments, you can then also access stanza 2 and stanza 3. Today, I'm going to basically show what I did in class today in case you came late or you missed class or maybe you had a misunderstanding, so maybe your parents can watch with you and help you understand what we did. So you're going to click in the top left corner the Microsoft waffle. It's the 9 circles up here. If you are in the app, you will not see this. So that means you need to exit out of the app, log into Google Chrome, go to LPISD, to the student portal, and log into Microsoft Office 365. You can access this anywhere in 365. So if you're in your email, you'll see it. If you're in Word, if you're in Microsoft Teams, this will be up here. It's like the home screen. You will click this and go to Word. From here, you will click New Blank Document. It's the plus sign. So it should look like this, a blank document. Now up here it says document 13. It may say something different on your computer, document 1, document 20. You want to click it or double click it and rename this. It is I Am Poem, and then your own first name and your own last name. And then you click return or enter. This will automatically save for you as you type in it. For your heading, you're going to put your first name and last name. So if my name was John Smith, it would be John Smith. And then click enter or return. Then you will put today's date and click return. Next, it's your period. So I'm just using first period as an example. And then ELA, because this is your ELA class. And the last thing you'll put is Miss Spain. That's your teacher. And click enter again. Now, when we do our title, we want it to be centered. So what you'll do is up here on this icon, it's called text alignment. If you click it, right now it's on the left. We want it to be centered. So we click that and now it's in the center. The title is I Am Poem. Now you will click return 2 times. Now you'll begin typing the information that you had in the assignment from stanza 1. So if we go back to this tab, that's where we click here, open it back up, and whatever we had typed is what we will be putting. Now if you had something here and you decide you want to change it, that's okay. You can do that because this is your final draft. I will pull up my completed poem. Let me open it. So I'm going to open the one that I've already done. Hopefully it's this one. That's the one with my first stanza. So after you get through and you type out the first 6 from stanza 1, you will click return twice or enter. And now you'll do the same thing. You'll come back and look up stanza 2. Right here. And you will repeat. You will type out your lines. There should be 6. I'm just putting that for purposes of showing you. Then you'll click return 2 times again, because remember our stanzas are separated with a gap. So this is stanza 1. Here's where you'll type what you had for stanza 2. And then here's where you'll type for stanza 3. This is Hold on one second. Trying to find the one that I had. I did this several times today. Trying to find the one I had that had the entire poem. I know where it is. I actually posted this to everyone's wall. So if you go to the post section of your team, you will see this. I posted it. So when you are done, this is what it will look like. It will have your entire poem, stanza 1, stanza 2, stanza 3. Now, I made these specific lines bold because I wanted to emphasize that those are the ones that you repeat over and over. Okay, so I want you to use mine that I posted as a sample, as an example, an exemplar. And also remember, I had the other two posted in the files, I Am Poem Virtual, that has 2 more examples for you to look at. The goal is for yours to look like this when you are done. Now tomorrow, I will show you how to pull this, this assignment back up, and we'll go through and edit it and make sure all the beginnings are capitalized and you have periods and you're using correct grammar and punctuation, and that the formatting's correct. And if we have extra time, we'll try to add in some figurative language, but I will walk you through how to submit this to me tomorrow. You do not need to submit this yet. Your goal is just to have this. Once you are done working, it will automatically save. So once you're done typing that all out, you can exit out as long as it says saved right here. I will see you tomorrow and I will help you. If you have any questions, type them into our specified teams and I will try to respond for you.